Legend says a Turkish imam took one bite of this dish and fainted on the spot. Nobody agrees on why, but everyone agrees. It's one of the most iconic dishes in Turkish cuisine. What is Imam Bayıldı? It's a traditional Turkish dish made with eggplant stuffed with onions, garlic, and tomatoes, cooked in olive oil and served cold. The story behind its name is just as intriguing as the taste of the dish itself. So, where does the story behind this name come from? This is exactly where the legendary part of the story begins. 1. Myth: expensive olive oil. The most popular version says the Imam was a guest at a wealthy household. When he took his first bite, he was told exactly how much olive oil went into the dish, an amount so expensive it was almost scandalous for the time. He was so shocked by the cost, he fainted. 2. Myth: dowry oil. Another version is more personal. This one says the dish was made using olive oil from the bride's dowry. Oil meant to last her a lifetime. When the Imam realized how much of that precious, irreplaceable oil had gone into a single dish, the emotional weight of it overwhelmed him. 3. Legend: a simple taste sensation. And then there's the simplest theory. The food was just that delicious. It was so rich, so flavorful, that the Imam was completely swept away by that taste alone. Whichever version you believe, one thing is certain. Olive oil in the Ottoman Empire wasn't just an ingredient. It was a symbol of wealth, status, and generosity. And Imam Bayıldı became a dish that celebrated exactly that. So today, I'm going to show you how to make this legendary dish yourself. No fainting required. Let's make it. You'll need firm, medium-sized eggplants, about 4 of them, 2 large onions, finely sliced, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, 2 ripe tomatoes diced, 1 green pepper, a handful of fresh parsley, and the most important ingredient of all, a generous amount of good quality olive oil. Because remember, that's exactly what got the Imam in trouble. Start by peeling alternating strips off the eggplants. This helps them cook evenly and gives that classic look. Slice a pocket into each one lengthwise, without cutting all the way through. Salt them lightly and let them rest for 15 minutes. This draws out any bitterness. Now, fry the eggplants gently in olive oil until they're soft and lightly golden. Set them aside. In the same pan, saute the onions until they turn translucent. Add the garlic, tomatoes, and green pepper, and let everything cook down into a rich, fragrant filling. Season with a little salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar. That's the secret that balances the acidity of the tomatoes. Open up each eggplant and generously spoon the filling inside. Don't be shy. This is where all the flavor lives. Drizzle the rest of that olive oil over the top. Add a splash of water to the pan and let it all slow cook until the eggplants are completely tender and the oil has soaked in. And here's the traditional twist. Imam Bayıldı isn't served hot. Let it cool to room temperature. That's when the flavors truly come together. And enjoy your meal. A few tips. Don't skip the salting. It removes bitterness. Always fry the eggplant gently, not too high heat. And that pinch of sugar, it balances the tomatoes perfectly. Whether prepared in the kitchen of a grand palace or at a simple family dinner table, this dish has endured for centuries and continues to bring people together today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.